I don't think he
Look
will.
at this bitch. She's wearing a shirt. It says, ugly is in. Okay. Just put it out there. Try not to, don't hide it.
Ugly is in.
Oh, wait, who's that dude again? Isn't it tall dude?
I think that's not.
Yeah. He thought he was so fucking cool, too.
I know.
Fucking dork. What's your name? Not? What is it, you mean? Not? Not? I mean, I got Borak in there. Borat, I mean.
Borak.
Borat in there. It's like, your name is Not? Not? Not. I would just like to know how many people that know Nan that go to these parties, or if they're just like, they get there after, you know, every year and they see her coming, they're like, oh, fuck. Not her again. Yeah. 20 years of this shit is enough. And they try to like hide and shit, run away.
Oh god,
go bitch!
surprised.
Here she comes with the beer. We're out of here. Talk her ear off. Start crying and shit. Let's get out of here. Yeah, these are some looker chicks.
Bikers are hot. What can you say?
Oh, look. Which one's the girl? Or is there a girl in this one? Fucking, the guys look more feminine than she does.
No. Her cute denim, like, sleeveless shirts and her big beers in her hands with her beer cozies and...
Oh my god, look. Ah, teeth.
Teeth.
She's hot too. Yeah. Fucking dumb.
I know. I think my mom's the only one that can go through a book right now and just rant about every single picture.
It's just ridiculous. Leather chaps. I mean,
Leather chaps.
Are they gay?
At least they weren't wearing, or at least they were wearing pants underneath of them.
Yeah.
Rob, we know you wear assless chaps. With the frills. You even put some lace on them sometime when you're just in the mood.
Assless chaps and nipple clamps.
Assless chaps and nipple clamps. That's going to be the name of this video that I've been making for 3 minutes on you. Assless chaps and nipple clamps.
Almost rhymes.
With my mom.
Almost rhymes. Oh my
Here's
god.
their cute.
What is wrong with them? Look at Tom.
A nice, like, hat.
Look at Dan. Look at her. Look at her rouge. She looks like her mother.
No.
That is so ew. She's wearing some dumb Christmas sweater or something.
I know, it's like cute holiday picture grandma.
Look at that dumb house there behind the background. What? He's wearing a bolo hat. I mean, what? What? Why? I don't get it.